Alright, welcome guys. My name is Adeola Deus, and in today's video I want to teach you how you can actually create a phone mockup using Canva. Like how you can create a phone mockup using Canva. A lot of persons have actually asked me, how do I create phone mockup using Canva? So it's very simple. All you just have to do is to, if you don't have Canva on your mobile phone, Canva is actually an app that is being used to design any kind of graphics. Alright, you use Canva to design any kind of graphics. So you just go to your Play Store and then you search for Canva. Alright, Canva. You can see it now. This is Canva. Alright, so if you don't have Canva on your mobile phone, it will ask you to install, but because I have it now, it's asking me to update. Alright, but I'm not interested in updating at the moment. So all I just have to do now is to locate Canva on my mobile phone. Alright, locate Canva on my mobile phone. If you don't have Canva, make sure you install Canva on your mobile phone and then have an account with Canva. Alright, so this is Canva. Right, you can see Canva now. So all I just have to do now is to click on Canva. I'll click on Canva. Alright, it's loading. You have so many awesome designs on Canva, Alright, so I just want to show you how you can create this. It's very simple. So the next thing you are going to do now is to create a new design. You click on this plus button. You can see the plus button. Alright, you can see the plus button. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you the various ones you want. Like, do you want for mobile video or Instagram post or your story, anyone? So I'm going to click on Instagram posts. Alright, I'm going to click on Instagram posts. I'll click on this particular one. Alright, so once I click on Instagram posts, it will give me the exact size so that it can fit into my Instagram posts. Alright, and it can also fit into my WhatsApp display picture. Okay, so it's asking me now to select templates, but I'm going to draw this down. I'm not selecting any template for now, so I'll give it a color. Once I give it a color, this is what I'll click on. I'll click on color here. I'll click on the color button. Let me use okay, let me just pick color blue or something related to this anyway, or something related to, let me pick this color. Alright, this color is cool. I will manage this color. Alright, so now remember I said I want to show you how you can create a phone mockup using Canva. Alright, the next thing you're going to do now is to click on elements. You click on this add button. Alright, once you click on the add button, you locate elements. You locate elements. This is elements. Alright, you click on elements. Then the next thing you have to do now is to search anything from Canva. Alright, you click on search anything from Canva and then search for frame. You search for frame. Most of my designs online, like I use Canva typically for, to designing all my stuff, most of my stuff, except for some that I will just use maybe I just want to use my Photoshop. Alright, but most of my designs I use Canva. Alright, so this is so you are going to select this phone Canva this phone mockup. All right, you can see this phone mockup. You select it. You select this particular one. You select it. Can you see it now? All right, so you are going to enlarge it. I will enlarge it. All right, and then of course what I'm going to be adding. So guys, this is the phone. All right, so you are going to add a picture that you must have screenshot, all right, that will fit into this mockup, this phone mockup. All right, so I'll select a picture from my gallery. So I'll just click on this plus sign. I'll click on this plus sign. Okay, I'll click on this. You add the text to this. Can just be like our courses. Let me say you go to add. You just add it. Add text. You click on text. Then probably you can go for, okay, click on add a heading, then be like 2 weeks or 3 weeks intensive training. All right, 3 weeks intensive training. I'm actually using my mobile phone to design this. I believe you can see that. 3 weeks intensive training. All right, you can see like, okay, join our 3 weeks intensive digital marketing training. All right, so you can reduce the font size. If you want to add some effigy, you can do that. Just click on the add button, then maybe locate a background of your choice. Can locate a background of your choice. Can use this one. It depends on what you want. All right, depends on what you want. Okay, you can also add other stuffs, like you could just go to elements, click on elements, can add stripes, can look for stripes, okay, can look for this kind of stuff, and then you add it. Maybe you want to add it to the, you just want to add something, maybe just to spice it up or so, just to make it a little bit fine, can add something like this. Anyone, depends on, you just have to apply your creativity. All right, so you can apply this if you want to, depends on what you want. So I'm just trying to show you how to create a mock-up. All right, a full mock-up using Canva. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just how to design, like how to create a phone mock-up using Canva. So you can be creative with it. You can be very, very creative with it. You understand? You can be very, very creative with it. Can do some stuffs anyhow you want it. You can do anything, can do this, can change the color, you can change the color, can leave it like this. It depends on what you actually want. You understand? So this is how to do it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. You can share my videos with your friends. Thank you for watching.